I was on the highway exit ramp to burnout. And I was doing too many things. I was saying yes to too many things. And all because I was striving for excellence. But in that journey, I lost my motivation for excellence. And I needed somebody to coach me in the right ways. I needed somebody to push me in the right ways. And I think the beauty in the solution focused mindset coaching is in its simplicity. The power lives within your own mind. And if you're willing to do that work and be really honest with yourself, it will unlock for you the power of your own mind so that you can once again connect to the motivation, the drive for excellence in the ways that will keep you from burning out. It doesn't feel like work when you can connect to the proper priorities. And the coaching with Steve really helped me to do that.